Dear students, we will see some phrases in simple English. Hold out, my dear friend. Hold out, you can say. Please hold that point. Put on. My dear friend, you have put on weight. That we can use. Bring out. Bring out the new things. That we can use. Move on. Please continue. Move on, my dear friend. Please continue. Turn back. Please turn it back, my dear friend. That means just reverse it. Put back. Again, put it back means place it in the same place. Go around, my dear friend. That means you just go just like a perambulator. Break up. Let us have a breakup. That means we will close it. Come along with me, my dear friend. Please come wherever I go. Sit up. Sit up means please sit down. Turn round, my dear friend. Just round you. Just look. That is the meaning of it. Get in, my dear friend. Get in means please come inside, my dear friend. Come round. Come round. Come round with me. Wherever I go, please come round. That way you can use. So these simple phrases you can use in simple English like this. Hope you get a good idea of how to use these phrases in simple spoken English. Very simple. Have a great day. Let us see more videos in this direction.